Hi, I'm John Grimes from Weedoo Workboats. Today I'm going to demonstrate a great little accessory for the Weedoo harvester. This is called a hydraulic chainsaw. This hydraulic chainsaw is plumbed into the hydraulic beyond on this Weedoo TigerCat. This hydraulic chainsaw has a 70-inch handle which allows you to reach off the boat and cut branches and small trees. It also features a safety on it, on the chain, as well as a self-oiler. Okay, let's demonstrate this thing in action. This saw is stored in a handy little holster along the port side of the boat. Okay, we're going to start the engine and run this saw. Fairly low RPM is all that's required. Now that we've stowed the Weedoo chainsaw, we're going to clean up this area using the Weedoo TigerCat bucket.